Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales strategies with Instacart. Quick tutorials. Begin by identifying your target audience. Understand the demographics and preferences of your potential customers on Instacart. Create tailored promotions that resonate with your audience. Utilize data and insights provided by Instacart to enhance your marketing strategies. Analyze purchase patterns. Optimize your product listings with clear, compelling descriptions and high-quality images. Implement seasonal promotions or discounts to attract more shoppers. Consider using loyalty programs to encourage repeat purchases. Collaborate with local brands or suppliers to enhance product offerings. Experiment with advertising options available on the Instacart platform. Monitor the performance of your promotions through Instacart's analytics tools. Make adjustments based on sales data and customer feedback. Ensure your inventory is well stocked to avoid missed sales opportunities. Engage with customers through targeted email marketing campaigns. Provide exceptional customer service to build lasting relationships. Test different sales strategies and measure their effectiveness regularly. Stay informed about Instacart updates and feature enhancements. Use these insights to refine your approach and improve future sales strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.